Look at this, man. You could easily make $220 a day doing this. What's going on, everybody? It's JT from 7 Figures Marketing, back with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make upwards of $220 per day using Instagram and CPA marketing. Now, the offer that we're going to be using for this method is going to be from the Max Bounty CPA network. So if you're not in Max Bounty, I definitely recommend you go and check out. It's one of the first videos on my channel that I show how to get into Max Bounty. I've been getting tons of testimonials of people getting into Max Bounty from the script that I use in that video. But yeah, man, basically the method we're going to be doing is buying Instagram shout outs from influencers and promoting our CPA offer. Like I said, we're going to be using the offer out the Max Bounty network. So let me show y'all the actual offer. So let me log into my account first. Boom, hit log in. I don't even know how much money I made today. Oh, 65. Yes, that's good. First thing you want to do once you're inside Max Bounty, go to quick campaign search and search for Barkbox. Barkbox subscription, boom, click on it, hit search. And I think everybody should be approved for this offer. As you can see, you can have up to 100 actions per day and get it bumped up if you can consistently do 100 actions, which is pretty amazing, I must say. But as you can see, the offer pays out $8 per lead on the gift subscription, or they pay out $22 if they purchase a 1 month subscription of the Barkbox. But yeah, man, basically what we're gonna be doing is going over to Instagram and finding pet or dog related Instagram influencers and reaching out to them for shout out rates. So what you could do is, once you're on Instagram, you just come over and search for you could just start by typing in dogs to find influencers. And what you could do is just open them in a new tab as you start finding them. I don't recommend you go after the verified pages because they probably not doing like shout out rates and things like that. But if they are, kudos. But just open a few of these in a new tab. Another way you can find them is just by searching like dog related hashtags and then checking out the top posts. So let's see. You bring up at least one page from the hashtag. So something like this, maybe. Good boy. No, not that one. Let's try this one. Puppy loving. So yeah, it's another page you could do. But yeah, cute page dedicated to puppies. Perfect. DM for advertising / paid featuring. So what you can do is check out their page, make sure everything's legit. You can see I get tons of engagement. So that's a great thing. And like I said, the offer we promoting is a monthly dog subscription. Yeah, monthly dog subscription, and you can promote this offer on all these dog related pages. Oh, that's bold. That's bold. I hate seeing stuff like this. But yeah, man, come check out the page, see if it's something that you wouldn't mind promoting in. Now, this is a bigger page, as you can see, at 775K followers. Now, it is going to be, I ain't gonna say expensive. It really depends on your budget. If you can afford to pay for, because these type of pages, they normally charging 100 or close to 100 and up for this size. But normally, as a beginner, you want to stick to pages under 100K because you can get some pretty good deals doing that. But as you can see, I found these pages just by searching dogs and letting the search field bring up some more suggestions. Another thing you could do is, once you're on any of these pages, whether you're on a phone or desktop, you can hit the drop down arrow right there to bring up suggested pages, aka related. You can click see all to see all the pages related to this page, which is, as you can see, a bunch of dog pages. And that's pretty much how you can find some influencers to push your products. And then the next thing you can do is actually, well, if you haven't built a landing page for it already, this is something you will want to do. This is what I made for the Barkbox offer using a free landing page builder, Weebly. You can come check this out. Check out the website yourself. Copy it. I don't care. Barkbox coupon 2019.weebly.com. Boom. All I got is their logo, a headline, an image that I stole from the offer page. Our pack has your back. I got that off of their landing page. Ready to spoil your pup with Barkbox of their very own. Claim this one-time special offer. Now, I found that button just searching on Google. I don't even know exactly what I searched, but I probably just searched orange buy button or an orange claim button. All I know, but simple landing page. Everything is pretty much, you could right click, open it in a new tab, steal the image, and same for this one. Open a new tab, voila, and let's see, simple. Oh, the next thing you will want to do after you got your landing page built and everything, you will want to go and DM them. Reach out to them however they prefer, whether it's via email or DM. Reach out to them. Here's a script you can use. You can say something along the lines of, "Hey, I was reaching out to you guys to see what are your rates for promos." They reach back out to you and let you know the pricing. Y'all agree to it. 9 times out of 10, they ask them to pay through PayPal. But after that, after everything is pretty much settled and y'all ready to go, they're gonna ask you, what are you trying to promote? You can say something along the lines of, "I want to promote a monthly dog subscription box to your audience. It comes with at least 3 innovative toys, 2 full-size all natural bags of treats, and a chew, curated from each month's unique theme collection." Now I got that script from their landing page and my landing page, but I got this from their offer page. You know what I mean? But yeah, just came up with this. I just want to promote a monthly dog subscription box to your audience. They like, okay, boom, let's set it up. Y'all do the time, date, blah, blah, blah. And you get the results after you pay, of course. And another thing I wanted to show y'all was the actual earnings calculator. So remember I showed y'all you get paid $22 for every lead if they just get the 1 month subscription. Now let's add this up. Let's say you spent, I don't know, on the page, let's say you spent like $30, $40 on a shout out to a page of, I want to say 200,000 followers. Let's just say out of 200,000 people, let's say, let me refresh it because, let me see. Let's say out of 200,000 people, only 10 people brought the a 1 month subscription. As you can see, they paying out $22 for every lead. All they got to do is buy the 1 month subscription at $10 times 22. That is $220. Like, come on, man. $220 off a $30, $40 shout out. Like, that's pretty dang crazy for, a subscription service, a dog subscription service that they already interested into. They interested because they following a dog lovers page. Now, I know they say no Instagram promo, blah, blah, blah. Listen, you can work. It's a workaround to it just by adding an extra landing page, just so the offer won't see it. Now, it's kind of black hat, but it works, man. Don't let because people do black hat all day, every day. People post on Craigslist and they're not supposed to make thousands of dollars doing it. But if you don't mind doing the workaround to it, and if you can get multiple max money accounts, and you can push this offer, go ahead, man. I know that's probably not the best advice, but I mean, it's real. Like I said, you could promote this and pay for a shout out. I don't care if the shout out was $100. If I got 10 people to get a 1 month subscription of this service, that's $220. That's only 10 people out of 200,000 that's already interested in anything pet related. All these people on this page is diehard, dog lovers, things like that. I love dogs myself. So yeah, if I had my own dog, I probably had a service, to be honest. But yeah, man. But that's pretty much the method, man. So let's recap. Once you in max bounty, of course, you want to come search for the offer, Barkbox subscription, build your tracking link. From there, you want to make your landing page. Here's one I use. You can copy it. I really don't care. From there, you will come over to Instagram, find you some dog related pages by searching on Instagram, dogs. You can find more dog pages just by searching through the hashtags or just pulling up these pages right here and just sifting through them. And like I said, you can hit the drop down arrow to find even more pages. And yeah, from there, you'll reach out to them with a DM script similar to mine. Hey, I was reaching out to you, blah, blah, blah. Y'all work through the kinks, pay them. You get your ad set up, whether it's on the page post, a story, or anything like that. And yeah, man, basically just run through your numbers and continue to test. And like I said, look at the potential. You get 10 people from one shout out, you can make $220. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. Now, there is a better way, approved offer that you can promote on Instagram with the same funnel and in the same niche. It's actually 10 times better in my experience. I just actually made $1,000 with the new funnel that I'm promoting, and I just gave it away in my beginners course. So if you're not into my training, I definitely recommend you go grab that. First link in the description. I just added the version 2 Instagram covering shout outs and CPA marketing. So yeah, man, I definitely recommend y'all go check that out. But if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this method. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I post everything: CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, making money online, things like that. But yeah, man, that's all I got for this video. I'm out.